Hello everyone, this is Nirmala Devi Panaswamy. Today we're gonna see the topic on Autodoc tools. It's used for molecular docking. It's one of the installed software. In this lecture, we're gonna see that mm, what is Autodoc and how it works. What is the advantages doing this to using this tool and disadvantages, and also how it works. The experiment hands-on section also I have given here. So first we should know what is Autodoc. So this is one of the software for docking, molecular docking. This suite is automated docking tools. It helps to predict the optimal bound conformations, the ligand to the protein. This software, which was developed by the Cripps Institute of Technology. Then here I have provided the URL link, the installations of Autodoc tool. And before going to the section lecture, we should know the short form of keywords, because the most of the research articles and databases and this lecture also have provided like this short forms. So MD means molecular docking, ADT means autodoc tools, GPF means grid parameter file, GLG means grid log file, DPF means dog parameter file, DLG means dog log file, SA means simulated annealing, GA means genetic algorithm, LGA means Lamarck genetic algorithm. Before the Autodoc containing the two parameters, one is search algorithm, another one is scoring functions. Search algorithm, which was used in the algorithms. What are the algorithms used in the Autodoc? That should be in the search algorithm parameter. It while generates the large number of forces of molecule, like a small molecular protein in small molecule in the binding site of the protein. So that time the algorithm which was used, and the second one is scoring function. Scoring function, it helps to calculate the scores or binding affinity for the particular forces. So once the docking is done, then we can calculate the score. We can calculate the how the energy value, that score, and the binding affinity, how the interaction is, the protein ligand or protein protein interaction, how the binding affinity for the particular force we can calculate in the scoring function. Then what are the algorithm? I told you know already, search algorithm. In that algorithm, um, there are a lot of algorithms. The mainly they are used. I categorized four types: the global search algorithm, local search algorithm, hybrid global and local search algorithm, iterated local search. So in that global search algorithm, which containing the what I call like a simulated annealing, is also called as simulated annealing SA. Then this simulated annealing, it will helps to hope the ligand random position or orientation confirmation we can check using this. In the hut, the constant temperature, the annealing cycle we can measure for using the simulated annealing. The annealing temperature is reduced 0.85 greater than, lesser than 2 gram to lesser than 1. So it will stop increasing the maximum number of cycle in the while doing that simulated aligning. The simulated in the auto ADT used to optimize the variant of simulated aligning by the global and local search aspects also. In the genetic algorithm, it's also called GA. It helps to start with the random populations around 50 to 300. The genes correspond to the state of variables. So the genetic operation, the crossover, mutation, everything is done by the genetic algorithm. They compute the fitness of individuals also by doing this genetic algorithm. The local search algorithm, solids and weights method, mostly the Autodog they will use the SA and genetic algorithm and the hybrid global local search algorithm, the Lamarckian genetic algorithm. The Lamarckian genetic algorithm is also called LGA. It helps to predict the phenotypic optimization of the individuals to its environment can be mapped into the genotype and the inherited by the offspring. Here I told phenotype and genotype. Phenotype is atomic coordination, genotype is state variables. So it will used in the LGA, literature local search, the genetic algorithm with the local gradient optimization. So what is the advantages of doing this using this auto dock? It the to dock the while docking the ligand should be in the flexible format. It can change, the conformation can change, whereas the protein in rigid format. So it can't change in flexible format. The I mean protein should be there. So while go the ligand go change the conformation to bind to the reached protein, it should bind on the particular focus. It will interact each other. So it will helps the using Autodoc tool. It also range of powerful optimization algorithm also available in the mainly genetic algorithm, I mean GA and SA and also LGA. What is the disadvantage while doing this tool? What is the disadvantage means in the protocol, the initial structure you are placed in the binding site. So initial structure, the binding site, the protein the in the binding site, the ligand and go and bind to the bind. So the it depends upon the quality. The interaction will vary. So what is the application doing this? I mean, using this software means the extracrystallography can measure and the structure-based drug design. I mean, it's mostly based on the structure the docking will done and lead optimization, the ligand optimization, the virtual screening, the ligand, the combinatorial library design, chemical mechanism studies. Follow my videos means you will get all the informations regarding bioinformatics. These are the reference I have followed for this lecture. So my next video, how PyMol is using for visualization, what is the helpful, everything I will mention the next Thursday. So I will upload, and thank you. These all informations I gathered from the database or online software, I mean online server software, and also articles, books. So my heartfelt gratitude to all of them and my Evolute Institute of Technology, and also I need